At this stage, what we believe has happened is that a commercial helicopter on a scheduled flight has collided with a crane on top of a building under construction in 9 Elms Road, Southwest 8. The helicopter then came down on the landward side of the building. London Ambulance Service, London Fire Brigade and units from the Metropolitan Police Service were all quickly in attendance within minutes, and all fires are now extinguished. I can confirm that there have been 2 fatalities, and at this stage we're aware of a further 9 wounded, but the ambulance service will have further details.
Crane is obviously in a precarious position, having had a helicopter hit it. We've got crews up there at the moment assessing the damage so that we can be confident about making it safe before we leave.
This won't be the whole thing. You just go down there. Yeah, that bit.
We've treated 9 patients on scene here today. 5 of those patients have been treated for minor injuries which have resulted in them being taken to local hospitals for further treatment. A further 4 were treated on scene, however their injuries didn't need them to be taken to hospital.
Let's get their names.
Good days, fond memories.